back to my channel. I hope everyone is having an absolutely fabulous day. And again, thank you so much for being here. If you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. As you can see from the description below, we have our October 2018 MunchPak. So we are going to dive in here and see what we got this month and see what countries we're heading to. So I'm gonna just open it up. Okay. And for those of you that do not know, MunchPak is a monthly subscription where they send you snacks from all over the world, which is really awesome. We also do Universal Yums, which focuses on one country every month, and so that's really neat to try multiple things from the same country. But what I like about MunchPak is that it's multiple countries, so you get a variety. And I think they have a code. I will double check, and if it is valid, I will put it down below for you guys to get you $5 off your first box. And I will include their website so that you can sign up if you would like. So let's dive in. There's always a card, and it says, "This MunchPak was made with love just for you" by Roxanne. So let's see what we got this month. This is what it looks like when we open it. And the very first product, to me, looks like Doritos. And it says Doritos sour and spicy flavor. And this is from Israel. So that'll be interesting. Sour and spicy? I don't even think we have those kind of Doritos here. This is full. This is Hello Panda chocolate flavor. Crunchy and adorable cookies with chocolate cream. These are from Japan. Those will probably be good. So that's interesting. They do look cute. The picture there. I'm going to be doing the actual taste test part with Christopher. He wanted to be do that together. We actually both right now. I know that you guys, I had said previously that, you know, kind of under the weather. We actually both have upper respiratory infections, so he is home from school, and I promised him that we would watch Avengers. So we are going to actually just have a kind of a taste test while we watch the movie. So yeah. That's why I'm not trying any products. So this is Hi Chew. This says Morinaga Hi Chew banana flavor, chewy banana flavored candy, and this is from Japan. So there is that. So that'll probably be good. If it's anything like a banana Laffy Taffy, I love those. I love them. All right, this says Honey Stinger, organic waffle chocolate flavored. Honey Stinger organic chocolate waffle, chewy organic chocolate stroop waffle. This is from Canada. Let's see if I can read anything else about this. In 1954, beekeeper Ralph Gamber and his wife Lucille created the NRG bar as a wholesome snack. They also introduced quick energy packets of honey. 50 years later, Honey Stinger was founded by a group including their son and grandson. Our goal is simple: provide great tasting, honey-based energy foods made with the finest ingredients. We think Ralph and Luella would be proud of our products, and we know you'll love them too. Okay. It's chocolate, so it can't be bad, right? And then the next product here is Rochester Anamados Zoo Strawberry Wafers. So it says crunchy wafers with sweet strawberry cream from Brazil. So I'm assuming these are like sugar wafers. So this will be good. And we have one final item. And just so you know, this is the mini box. It is like $12.95 a month. And it's usually like 5 or more snacks. So this product is from Malaysia. It says Ego Pineapple Jam Biscuit Cookies. Crunchy cookies with sweet pineapple jam. So that looks interesting. So we got the pineapple cookies, the strawberry sugar wafers, this organic chocolate waffle, the Hello Panda cookies filled with chocolate cream. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. The High Chew banana candy is 5. And the sour and spicy Doritos from Israel is 6. So I think it's a good box. It does seem to be a little sweet heavy this time. Usually it's a really good mix of, you know, like savory, spicy, sweet kind of snacks. This definitely seems to be more of a sweeter box, but that's okay. Maybe because it's October and Halloween, figured they'd give more sugar. So I'm happy with the box. Can't wait to try it with Christopher. And again, like I said, I will put everything down below for you guys if you would like to sign up for MunchPak. It's always a great time and really fun to try different snacks. So and like I said, if I can find that coupon to get you $5 off, I will put that down below as well. Otherwise, again, please, if you are new, go ahead and hit subscribe. And until the next video, I will talk with you guys soon. Have a great day. Bye.